Right. In this video today, I'm actually gonna take you guys really how you're going to manage your own magazine website or your news website. So this is site I've already finished. I've built it from scratch today to the end. So wait to take you guys really how you're going to start managing your admin panel or starting from the beginning how you're going to your navigations, your pages to add posts and then post these drafts and then your feeds, categories, polls, that is for voting, and then galleries, comments, where you can be able to manage your comments, contact messages, newsletter, and ad space where you can be able to place your ads and start making money. Very important. And then from users, because I've also implemented users space as well, where users can be able to register, have users on your own magazine site or your newscasting, and you can see SEO, which is search engine optimization tools, already there at the storage. You can see social logins, settings, email settings, language settings, and then font settings. You can be able to set your fonts, and you can be able to see the settings of the website. Okay, so I've done this already. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to. My name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online as on affiliate marketing and some tech tips. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash that red subscription button, click the bell icon, turn it to on in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this, especially contents like this. So yeah, don't forget to like my video. If you like me, just thumbs me up, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones as well. So you can see here, let me go back to the home. Okay, so here we are. I've already have like this one post so far. Let's go back to the site. Let me refresh the site. You can see how fast it is. You can see I've uploaded only one post. You can see. So right now here, this how this is for the categories. You can see these are categories and then gallery. So I'm going to add a post so that you guys can see. So far now, in order not to waste much of our time, I'm going to click on add posts. Then add post. I want to add a post. So while adding the post, first of all, your post needs to have a title and then slug and then summary, description, meta tag. And your post is supposed to have a picture, something of this nature that will display. Let me show you something of this nature. This needs to display. Okay, so you can add the image, you can add the image URL and then tags, and then if you go down here, this is where you can be able to tap your everything. You can also edit it. Make it bold, make it italic, make it underline, and the rest cross and the rest. You can see you can do anything you want to do. Edit it the way you want it to be. So you can see tables, tools, formats. You can see formats are here, even color. You can format colors and the rest. You can see views, you can insert pictures, you can insert link, media, code samples, tables, special characters, horizontal line, and dates and time. Come to view here, you can be able to visual aids, show blocks, preview, full screen, and you come to edit. You can undo as well. You can cut, copy, and then paste as text, select all. Come to files, you can be able to set your new document, and then you can preview. You can also print as well. Okay, so you can see here. So let's look for let's just look for this site is specifically on football, anything sports. everything concerning sports can be able to publish here. So let's look for any sports news. Sports news, or maybe transfer windows news football. Okay, so 5 hours ago, Go.com posted the news. So let's copy this sheet and paste it over there. Okay. Um. So you can see. Um. First, you need to get the picture of this. I'm going to screenshot the picture of it. I've screenshot it, and then you will get the title. Get the title. After I get the title, then let's go back here. We'll go back to the site. So I was talking about title. So you need to paste the title there. I'm pasting the title there, right? So I pasted the title. You can see. And then slug right, which is if you leave it blank, it will be generated automatically. So we can leave it blank. And then somewhere you can see meta tag, you'll be like, so now we're talking about Chelsea here, right? So copy this Chelsea here. We're talking about now is the tag, paste Chelsea, enter. And we're talking about what again, which is draw Pedro's. So I'm going to copy this, so paste here. So now that down here you can see we are talking about keywords. Enter keywords. Enter. So these are tags. Enter. Okay. So right now here we take the we're going to take this title here, paste the title here and make it bold. Make it bold, and then it should be in the middle. Okay, so now we're going to start writing the articles now. You can see, copy this, copy it, come back and paste it. Okay, we need to remove this on both. We'll remove it so that it should be like this, and then come back again. So at this moment now we're going to get the write-up of the whole thing. The write-up to we're going to get a write-up. You can see this is the write-up here. You can see this is a write-up. We're getting these sheets here to this. So this is just for sample, okay? So while editing it, you need to get your content ready on ground, then you can be able to copy and paste it here, paste it there. So I'm just doing it for practical aspect, how you're going to do it. Click on copy. then paste it. You can see here. So we need to remove this link. There's a link here. We need to remove this link. It's very important. So click on insert, click this link. There's a link here. So we're going to remove this link and then leave it like that. So the link has been removed. So that is it. So right now here, I'm going to upload the image that I screenshot earlier. So I've uploaded the image. It's loading. Okay. So it's loading. So after loading, I will select it. I'm going to select this and then select. So click on content, add this image, select. Then we added this image, and under categories, which is football, and then subcategories. I haven't added that one yet. So if there's any additional image, you can also add it. But if there's no any other image, you can leave it. You can say optional URL. You can also leave it if you don't have any that you have to post. Then add posts. Yes, that's what you choose. So when I was explaining some other stuff, I ran into some errors. So but then I've solved that already. So I'm going to take you guys back. I've already solved that. So after you have set your title, your slug, and then the main page, the content of what you're going to publish, then you hit publish here, which I've already done that. Then you save it. So that's how you can be able to publish new posts on this blog. So on the next thing here I'm going to explain is come to categories. So maybe if you might wish to add some other categories, which as this particular website is for football magazine, so I guess I've only, let me refresh from the, I guess I'm having only three categories, which is football and then scores and then gallery. So you can be able to add more categories, like something like um fans react, or any kind of category that you wish to add. So you can be able to add. So one of the important thing is even your viewers can be able to react on any post and then can be able to share it on Pinterest, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and then Twitter and Facebook. So they can be able to share the post to any kind of social media platform. So they can be able to even react. You can see cry emojis and then surprise and then laughing and then love as well. So let me go back to the admin again. And then once in again, you can also set polls, which is voting, and then comment. Okay, you can read comments and then contact messages where your viewers can be able to contact you as well. And then here is add space. So let me click on the add space. Here where you can be able to place your ads, but this is for those you can see this Google AdSense ads. You can be able to place your Google AdSense ads here, and then as we start displaying to your website, you can also set the width and then the height of the ads, how you want it to display. And then you can see this is for mobile banner, and then for desktop banner you can also set it. So that is how it works. And then you can come to settings. In settings here, you can be able to change the name of the website. You can change the name of the website. You can see here, you can see application name and then admin panel link, and then you can see number of posts per page. So you can also increase it. So these are the amazing features that this particular website has. So you can be able to
increase the number of post page impregnation. So if you want it to be 10, you can set it to be 10. If you want it to be more than 10, you can set it based on the numbers you want it to be. So you can see this is the footer page about, so you can be able to write the about of the website here. Once you just write everything here, it will automatically display at the front end down here about the site. So that is it. And then you can see video settings which you want, the color, the logo, and if you want to change it at any time. Then you can see contact settings as well, and then you can see social media settings, Facebook comments, cookies warning, and then custom header codes. You can also set that. And if you want your users, if anybody wants to register and you want the person to either bypass Google Recapture, that is for security, for those that are using robots to create multiple accounts on your platform, you can also set your Google Recapture. It's very important, and it's very recommend. I recommend that you have to set this if you're going to set the sites for users, people to register. I recommend that you should set your Google Recapture. It's very important. So this one is for maintenance mode, which if you want to enable the maintenance mode, you can enable it. And I think so far so good. These are the things that are very important, which I've already explained. um okay, here is email settings, which you can be able to set your email. You can set your SMTP for notification for those who registered on your platform and then they want to be getting news from their email. So once you publish a latest news, they can be able to get it from their email, directly to their email, and then they can click and come to your site and get the news. So this is how it works, and everything is working perfect. So as I earlier said, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online and some tech tips. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click the subscription button, and don't forget to click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for being alongside with me right away from the beginning at this moment. So don't forget to share it with your loved ones, and peace out.